And I thought, oh, I'm not going to make any friends and I'm going to spend my lunch times alone and just, struggle. But when I actually went there, there was, a culture, like a diverse culture within the college community. So you have a lot of people to look to, a lot of people that help you as well. They come out their way to help you, even if you don't know them. So I think the one thing I would tell someone that's coming into college is don't be afraid to ask help when you need it. And you should feel free to talk to any of the members of staff whenever you need help.
I've made some good friends. One in particular, I've worked with her at the hospital as well. So yeah, I've met some really lovely people.
There's a lot of opportunities that come along with the course. So I've been put a placement at UCLH for the past 2 years, and over the time I've been working in the rollout of the vaccine. I was the first volunteer to get vaccinated as well, and that was all because of the opportunity that the work placement team at college provided. So overall, the college course, it's wonderful as well. The teachers are really helpful and supportive as well. So you can go to them at any time when you have questions and if you need help. And especially because of how remote learning has been for everyone. So it's like a mixture of emotions for everyone. And they're still there to help you and support you throughout all your assignments.
It's much more independent based. So it's a good stepping stone from school to uni because it's like just middle ground, I think. They give us deadlines that are possible to achieve, and it's good because you can sort of divide the workload and just work at your own pace most of the time.
That's something I really value, especially from coming to the college. I always talk about it as soon as I come home with my mum. This is something we both realised because she was at Barnet and Southgate at one point as well, doing a part-time course. So we definitely learned that they go out their extra way just to help us when they really need to. I definitely did not receive that when I was at, school, sixth form or fifth form. I had to find out my own work experience. I had to be, I had to do things on my own. I didn't get that support when I needed it to be there. But with college, they've helped me. They've kind of they've helped me forge a path forward. So they've opened up different kind of routes into different things that I want to try, whether it's being student representative or whether it's trying out a new work experience. So they've all helped me be a part of that. That is one of the biggest differences because you don't really see that in school teachers, and the college teacher is a bit more attentive towards you and your concerns at the end of the day.
But the freedom is so much better. I did try going to sixth form for a month and it's just so different. At sixth form they still treat you like you're like a child still. You're not allowed to go out whenever you want. In college you're treated like a much more of an individual, and it's just a very different feeling. There's all the shops around, so you could go out for if you wanted to splurge, you could go out for like takeout, or you could go Tesco's, and the Starbucks in the actual college is good.
If I had to be completely honest, there was a time where I felt like the workload was a lot because I felt like I committed to a lot than I could actually handle. But I think it's just because, I was trying to be student representative and then volunteer at the same time. And it was a very hectic time, especially when you had to manage to remote learning and trying to do your assignments that way. But I think the key to all of, my success would be time management and trying to plan ahead and definitely having some kind of coping strategies. So even if that's just talking to someone or listening to music and, managing your time effectively, that would help you cope with remote learning and managing all your duties and responsibilities.
Describe it as a really good environment for learning and growing as an individual and meeting people from all backgrounds. It's just a really good experience.
Especially with how the society is now, students need to be able to study in a safe environment. And I think Wood Street campus especially has provided that for me because of the facilities. You have a lot of transport, you have a lot of shops and varieties of resources outside just surrounding college itself to help you. So I think in that perspective, it's really important for students to make sure they're studying in a safe environment, as well as being in a college community that's going to support you in and out of college.